So, a beautiful Friday. Scott and Mary Jane are here looking over Lewis's purchase to help the Weaver family, and they're partially moved in. Their cows are down there. There's the beautiful house.
You can see Lake Michigan off the beautiful bluff. And we have a horse with some sheep over there.
And some of the animals have just moved in.
The sheep farm is over here. And the barn and the tack. Now take us over to this building over here.
All right. And a beautiful tractor that comes with everything, I think, or just moved in.
I see tractor tracks. This is the outbuilding. Propane tank and thousands of acres of field on a beautiful limestone bluff. Let's go into the garage. Tell me what you see in this garage, Mary Jane.
Well, it's kind of like a pole barn. It's just full of treasures. All kinds of amazing treasures for children, adults. There's a ping pong table in here.
Let's go inside.
Yes. Brand new carpeting.
New carpeting. This is their workshop that the Mennonite family will take care of. And it's got horse tacks, saws, table saws, lathes, some kind of jig, insulation, a ping pong table, cedar ceiling, tools.
Electricity.
How are they going to keep all this running? It's going to be a full-time job just keeping this stuff moving, let alone earning income in the process.
A chainsaw down there. Look at that.
Nice chainsaws.
Horse tacking.
Look at all this stuff that was left by the previous owners or the previous occupants.
This building is almost livable. Look at all that. I wonder if it's insulated. Garage doors.
Would you like to, now I need your closing comments.
Fabulous. Fabulous 4-bedroom home with a great big basement where Lewis may be able to have his headquarters in privacy, which he loves. I think it's a steal at $170,000. And Dottie is helping get the money moved out of bank accounts and bonds.
And how much acreage you think is with it?
I can't remember.
But there's 40 cows, 40 sheep, goats, and some big old horses we saw.
Are already moved in along with toys and beds and canned fruit.
Canned fruit.
Nyla probably did.
Signing off from Fayette Bluff.
Burnt Bluff.
Burnt Bluff.